How to create a Facebook page event. If you are trying to create an event for your Facebook page, this is how you do it. Head over to facebook.com on your browser and make sure that you log into the page where you want to create an event. This is my main profile, so I'm just going to quickly go ahead and switch my profile to this page. And once you land on this page, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on the page and see its profile. Go ahead and click on this profile icon. And once you get to this, you will have something called professional dashboard on the left side of your nav bar, or you could just directly go inside your professional dashboard from here. Once you land on your professional dashboard, you can scroll down and you're going to have to find the events option here. So there is a planner tool, and from here you can find your events option at the left side of your screen. Click on this. It will show you all of the events that happened on your page. Now, if you want to create a new event, you're going to have to scroll down a bit, and here is an option to create event. So go ahead and give it a click. And you can select your profile from which you want to create an event. Give your a name for your event. So I'm just going to write something like demo event. Now, here is an option to choose your start date, start time, as well as your time zone. This is everything that you can customize. And additionally, you can add an optional end date time as well when it's going to end. So you can choose, is it personal, is it in person, or is it virtual? I'm going to do it in person. If you want, you can add a location, or if you think it's going to be a virtual event, you could post external links. Like if it's happening on Discord, you could give your Discord link. If it's on Facebook Live, you can do that, or any other platform right here. And if you want to explain it more on details, you can do it here. Choose market for your event, choose your category. Then you can add co-hosts. So go ahead and add your friends as co-hosts. You can also add tickets for your events, create a ticket URL and paste it here. And if this is a repeat event, you could do that as well. On your communication settings, you can show the guest list option. Only host can post in this event. So if you just want the host to post, turn it on. Otherwise, you can keep it off. And that's pretty much it. Once everything has been filled out, click on this create event option and your event will be created on your Facebook page. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.